Creation began to groan, the world was fast asleep. Men were busy fighting, women folk would weep. In our search for comfort, the new technologies, we had eaten from the knowledge tree. A pandemic like no other tore the world apart. We were stuck at home, fear struck our heart. Stadiums were empty, businesses were quiet, hospitals were full, streets were full of riots. We looked up to our leaders to give us clear directions. They took all our money and made us take injections. They lied to the public about their dark intentions. They spied through their cameras every intersection. Is this the start of the end? Is this the sign of the time? Tell me, have we designed our own demise? Heaven help us if we have no lifeline. Is this the start of the end? They poisoned all our paddocks to make our food taste better, but they killed all the insects, they held it all together. They laced our food with sugar, millions died of cancer. They sold us medication cause they had no real answer. Instead of curing us, they drugged us up with pills. We knew the real reason was to fund the pharmaceuticals. They tagged us all like vermin, so we lost autonomy. They borrowed untold billions just to save our economy. Is this the start of the end? Is this a sign of the times? Have we designed our own demise? Tell me, heaven help us if we have no lifeline. Is this the start of the end? The glaciers were melting, the planet was on fire, the forests were all burning, and the outlook was dire. The oceans, they were rising up, fish disappeared. We were pumping our pollution straight into the air. We built hydro schemes, all our rivers were dammed. We built fields with solar panels, fossil fuels were banned. We made our cars electric, put turbines on each hill. We thought we'd save the planet with our scientific skill. So we sent more rockets to find new life on Mars, but the clocks had been ticking, we had gone too far. We acted like we were gods, like we had it all together. The truth is we were blinded by our pride and love of pleasure. Is this the start of the end? Is this a sign of the times? Have we designed our own demise? Heaven help us if we have no lifeline. Is this the start of the end?